I'm Sugeeth Sathish, a student at Stetson University. I will be graduating this May and have accepted a job at Goldman Sachs as an investment banking analyst in New York City. Since high school, getting into investment banking was my dream. I considered many colleges, even the Ivy Leagues. What set Stetson apart for me was the Roland George Investments Program, where now, as a student majoring in finance, accounting, and economics, I am the Chief Investment Officer, overseeing a $7 million student-managed fund. Stetson provides so many experiential learning opportunities for students. I'm also an environmental fellow, working on sustainability efforts across campus. The experiential learning and one-on-one relationships with my professors helped prepare me all along the way. Through the Roland George Investments Program, I traveled to New York many times to compete in competitions, such as the Quinnipiac Game Forum, where Stetson was able to take first place in the fixed income portfolio. Through my time at Stetson, I've been able to receive support and guidance from Stetson alumni. This has helped me with recruiting for various high finance internships, including Goldman Sachs and Cross Street Capital. Looking back, Stetson provided me with a lot more exposure than I could have dreamed of, setting me up for success as I began the recruiting process for Goldman Sachs. The experiences I gained allowed me to stand out, despite not coming from an Ivy League school. Going into Goldman Sachs on day one, I felt prepared. It was the first time I have ever felt that way. I felt completely confident in my abilities.